goodness. I don't even know what Vlogmas day this is, but I have a mystery bundle. I'm so excited. This one was a multi-size mystery bundle. It was the last Black Friday bundle of our mystery bundles. So definitely see if you can do these things. If you're on YouTube, please subscribe. That helps tremendously. If you're on whatever other channel, whatever it is, follow, like, love, all that. All the things. Hey, Nikki! So we are going to open this package because I am dying to see what's in here. Because, yeah, I have no idea. And that's all that I ordered was just the mystery bundle. And so this whole thing is the mystery bundle. Okay, so it says, and thank you for a house full of people I love. Amen. Oh, I like that. I really like that. I've never even seen that one. Okay, and this one, it says, be kind. Here, I think I have it upside down. Be kind, and it goes into these flowers. That's cute. I do have this one, Life is Better at Grandma's House, because, yeah, it is. Oh, and I got this one in another bundle. Bless the food before us, the family beside us, the love between us. This one I did get in another bundle. The gathering place where friends and family meet. I love this one. Oh, wow. Look at, there's quite a few of these. So we've got the, what is this? Is it supposed to be leopard? Yes, leopard print. We've got X's and O's. We've got Land That I Love, Liberty, America, the Beautiful. Let Freedom Ring. Hey, Sandy, how are you? Oh, there's a bunch of these that I don't have. Make today yours. Dare to begin, and then it's a zebra print. Gosh, I don't know why. It's like my mount needs to be pushed back further. Oh, I don't have this one either. All the flowers of tomorrow are in the seeds of today. That is cute. Look how cute that is. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. So, okay, let's go back through them real quick. So we got this one. Make today yours. Dare to begin. And the zebra print. Land That I Love. Liberty, America the Beautiful. Let Freedom Ring. X's and O's. I think I had X's and O's. Which makes me happy because then I will take my old one and I will cut it down into more manageable sizes and then keep one full size. So that's pretty awesome. And then the leopard one I know I didn't have. And then the gathering place, that one's too cute. This one, oh my goodness, this one's too cute. I've got a couple of these now, so may have to like have some fun games or something and raffle that off. And then Life is Better at Grandma's House. Always, always. This one is too cute. This Be Kind, because it'll hide in all these flowers and the greenage and everything. And I really love this one. And thank you for a house full of people I love. Amen. I think I'm going to make this one for my house. So, yeah, that was a pretty good haul there. Because, I mean, there's a bunch of them I don't have. And a bunch that I've never even seen. So that's pretty cool. So, yeah, I don't even know what Vlogmas day this is. And how are you guys doing on your Christmas stuff? Are you guys like ready? I think we're doing our Christmas on Tuesday because we always do our Christmas with our kids before Christmas Eve so that it's just like just our kids. And then we'll FaceTime our chillins in Texas and in Missouri. And which is so weird to say that now we have kids in Texas too. But yeah, and so then it's like a big family still, even though we're getting smaller here in the present. And yeah, so I think we're going to do that Tuesday. And then, you know, then the festivities on my side of the family will be Christmas Eve. And then all of the kids go to their other family all on Christmas Day. And so I will be having my niece on Christmas Day. So we will be crafting all day because her mommy and daddy work. And so she wants to do crafting with Auntie. So we might be going live and doing some crafting with Auntie that day. But anyways, yeah, so I have got tons of orders to fill with my tumblers and everything. So I am going to jump off of here and get back to work. But I wanted to dive into this wonderful mystery pack and see what I got. So anyways, you guys reach out if you need anything. And if I don't see you back on here before Christmas, Merry Christmas. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next video.